Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ultimate Phone Guide. Today, we're diving into Google's latest flagship smartphone, the Pixel 9 Pro, which was launched in August 2024. This device is packed with high-end features, a powerful processor, an incredible camera system, and a stunning display, making it one of the most exciting smartphones of the year. The Pixel 9 Pro features a sleek design with dimensions of 152.8 x 72 by 8.5 mm and weighs 199 grams, making it comfortable to hold while maintaining a premium look and feel. It comes with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both the front and back combined with an aluminum frame for added durability. The phone is available in 4 stylish colors: porcelain, rose quartz, hazel, and obsidian. With an IP68 rating, the Pixel 9 Pro is resistant to dust and can survive in up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes. The display is a 6.3-inch LTPO OLED panel with a resolution of 1280 by 2856 pixels, providing sharp visuals and deep blacks. It supports a 120 Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. With a peak brightness of 3000 nits, the screen remains visible even under direct sunlight. Protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, the display is built to withstand scratches and accidental drops. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 Pro is powered by Google's custom Tensor G4 chipset built on a 4nm process. It features an octa-core CPU for efficient multitasking and a Mali G715MC7 GPU for smooth graphics performance. The phone comes with 16 GB of RAM, ensuring fast and responsive performance, and storage options range from 128 GB to a massive 1 TB, providing plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos. The camera system on the Pixel 9 Pro is truly impressive. The rear setup includes a 50MP wide lens with an f1.7 aperture, dual-pixel PDAF, and optical image stabilization for crisp and clear photos. It also features a 48MP periscope telephoto lens that offers 5x optical zoom for capturing distant subjects in stunning detail. Additionally, there's a 48MP ultrawide lens with a 123-degree field of view, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes and group shots. On the front, the Pixel 9 Pro has a 48MP ultrawide selfie camera, which is great for group selfies and high-quality video calls. The phone supports advanced photography features like Pixel Shift, Ultra HDR, Panorama Mode, Best Take, and Zoom Enhance, ensuring top-tier photography and video recording. Battery life is another strong point of the Pixel 9 Pro. It houses a 4700 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day on a single charge. It supports 27W wired charging using Power Delivery 3.0 and PPS, which can charge the phone to 55% in just 30 minutes. Wireless charging is also supported at 21W with Google's Pixel Stand and 12W with Qi-compatible chargers. Additionally, the phone supports reverse wireless charging, allowing you to charge other devices wirelessly. On the software front, the Pixel 9 Pro comes with Android 14 out of the box and is eligible for up to 7 major Android updates, ensuring long-term software support. Google continues to offer Pixel-exclusive features, including AI-powered tools and regular Pixel drops, which bring new updates and enhancements over time. In terms of connectivity, the Pixel 9 Pro supports a wide range of networks, including 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G, ensuring strong and reliable signal reception. It is equipped with Wi-Fi 7 for high-speed internet connectivity, Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless pairing with accessories, and NFC for contactless payments. The phone features a USB Type-C 3.2 port for fast data transfer and charging. Other sensors include an ultrasonic under-display fingerprint scanner, an accelerometer, a gyroscope, a proximity sensor, a compass, a barometer, and even a thermometer. For measuring skin temperature. With its premium design, powerful Tensor G4 processor, outstanding camera capabilities, and long-term software support, the Pixel 9 Pro is undoubtedly one of the best flagship smartphones available right now. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a mobile gamer, or someone who just wants a smooth and reliable smartphone experience, this device has something to offer. That's it for today's video. Let me know your thoughts on the Google Pixel 9 Pro in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ultimate Phone Guide for more smartphone reviews. See you in the next one.